Morning 5th class children. Now all of you open your mathematics workbook. Page number 14 children. See the question. Write the common factors. Write the common factors. Common means what? Compulsory there must be more than 2 factors. Okay children. Now we'll see. What are the given numbers they have given? Given factors 21, 12. 21, 12. 2 numbers are given. Now first we had to find out the factors of 21. Okay. Now first 21. In which tables we can take it, Nana? We can take in one table. 121s are 21. Next, see in the 2 table. 21. 10 2s are 20. 1 is we are having reminders, so it is not divisible by 2. So again which table we have to take? 3 table. 3 table 21. How many times? 7 times. Okay. Next which table we have to take? Again 4 table. 4 table we are getting 21? No, in 4 table we are not getting 21. So go to the 5 table. 5 table. 5 4s are 20, but here they are asking 21, factors for 21, so it is not divisible by 5. So same process for 6. 6 table, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, but we are not getting 21, so in 6 table also it is not coming. So next go to the 7 table. 7 3s are 21, yes, it is divisible by 7. Okay, next which one we had to take? Directly 21. Okay, these are the factors for 21 children. 1, 3, 7, 21. These are the factors for 21. Same process find out for 12. Next, 1 table. In 1 table it is divisible by 12. Okay, 1 12s are 12. Next 2 table 12. How many times? 6 2s are 12. Next 3 table 12. How many times? 4 3s are 12. So yes, it is divisible by 3 also. Next which table? 4 table. 4 3s are 12. So we are getting in 4 table. Next which table we had to take? 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So it is not divisible by 5. So again which table? 6 table. 6 2s are 12. Yes, it is a fact. 6 is a factor of 12. Next 7 table. 7 2s are 14. But here they given 12. So it is not divisible. Next go to the 8 table. 8 2s are 16. So it is also not a factor of 12. Next 9 table. 9 2s are 18. So we are not getting. So directly we had to take 12. Okay. Now by observing these two numbers, by observing the factors of 21 and factors of 12, we had to find out the common factor children. See, what are the numbers we got it? 1, 1, 3, 3. Okay, these are the common numbers we got it. So, write here 1, 3. Common factors of 21 and 12 are 1, 3. Okay, do you understand, Anna? Now, we will see the next one. See the next one children. 42 and 35. Now find the factors of 42. Factors of 42 children. 1 table 42. We are getting 1 42s are 42. Next 2 table. 2 21s are 42. 2 21s are 42. So again which table? 3 table. 3 table how many times? 3 14s are 42. Next, which table we had to take? 4 table, 4 10s are 40. So, it is not divisible. 5 table, 5 8s are 40. So, it is also not divisible. 6 table, 6 7s are 42. So, 6 table we are getting Nana. Next, 7 table, 7 2s, 6 7s are 42. Next, 7 table, 7 6s are 42. Next 8 table. 8 table we are getting? No. Why? Because 8 5s are 40. Next 9 table. No. 9 5s are 45. So we are not getting. So which table again? 14 table we are getting, Nana. Next 21 table we are getting. Okay. Now these are the factors of 42. Next same process for factors of 35. 135s are 35. Next same process. 5 7s are 35. 7 5s are 35. So again 35 tables. So by observing these two, what are the common numbers we got it, Nana? 1 1. Next, any more are there? No. So common factors of 42 and 35 are 1. Okay children, do you understand? Now we'll see the next one. 32 28. Now find the factors of 32. 132s are 32. Next 2 table. 2 into 16. 2 16s are 32. Means 16 table also we are getting, Nana. Next 3 table. 3 10s are 30. So it is not divisible by 3. Next 4 table. 4 8s are 32. So 4 table we are getting. Next 4 8s are, I told no. So 8 table also we are getting. 2 table how many times? 16 times. So 16 2s are 32. Next which table? 32 table. Okay. Same process for 28. 1 table 28. 1 28s are 28. Next 2 table. 2 14s are, means in 14 table also we are getting 28, Nana. So keep it in your mind. Next 3 table we are getting? No. Why? Because 9 3s are 27, but here 28 we got it. So it is not divisible by 3. Next go to the 4 table. 7 4s are 28. Means 4 table we are getting and 7 table also we got it, Nana. So 4 table how many times? 7 times. 2 table how many times? 14 times. So 1 table 28 times. Okay. By observing these two, what are the common factors we got it here? 1 1. 2 2 4 4. So these are the common numbers. So write common factors of 32 and 28 are 1 comma 2 comma 4. Okay. Now we'll see the next one. 24 and 36. Same process, find the factors of 24. In one table 24. 124s are 24. Next 2 table 24 12 times. So 12 table also we are getting 24. Keep it in your mind, Nana. Next 3 table 3 8s are 24. Means 8 table also we are getting. So again 4 table. 4 table how many times? 4 6 are 24. Okay. Now again which table? 5 table. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. So you are not getting 24, Nana. 6 table. 6 4s are 24. 7 table. 7 3s are 21. We are not getting. So 8 table. 8 table how many times? 8 3s are 24. Next 9 table. 9. Which how many times we had to take, Nana? 9 3s are 27. So it is not divisible. So again which table we had to take? Which table we had to take? 12 table. Why? Because 12 2s are 24. Next 24. 24 1s are 24. Okay. Now we'll see the factors of 36. Now 36. 1 table. 136 are 36. So 2 table. How many times? 36. 18 times. So 18 keep it in your mind, Nana. Next 3 table. 3 12s are 36. So 12 table also we got it. 12 table. 18 table also we are getting. Next 4 table. 4 9s are 36. So 9 table also we are getting. So what we have to write? 4 table how many times? 9 times. 3 table how many times? 12 times. 2 table how many times? 18 times. 1 table how many times? 36 times. Okay, by observing these two, what are the common factors we got it, Nana? 1 1 2 2, 3, 4, 4, 12, 12. So write here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 12. Okay, these are the factors of 24 and 36. Do you understand, Nana? In the next class, we'll continue some more sums. Thank you.